playing.
Let's play games. Let's play games. Do, Mikado, Mikado, Escado, Escado, Via, Vio. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you.
Let's hide.
Guys, I'm gonna count 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are you ready? Hey, pasa! আমার যমুনা জল দেখতে কালো চান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে আমার যমুনা জল দেখতে কালো চান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে কড়া পানিতে নাই মা কন্যায় কড়া মাঞ্জন করে হাড়ু পানিতে নাই মা কন্যায় হাড়ু মাঞ্জন করে আমার যমুনার জল দেখতে গেল স্নান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে আমার যমুনার জল দেখতে গেল স্নান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে
It's impossible to stay here. Everything is gone. For our safety and our children's future, we have to live here.
Where we can go? The road have been destroyed. Airport is not functioning.
Anywhere better than staying in here.
This is our land. Our land is still rich. This is our home.
Our crops will not harvest in few months. There's no time to waste. Hey,
Yeah?
that's our old neighbor.
Oh yeah.
She don't live in the city. Maybe she can help us get there.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What happened here? This is terrible.
You live in the city, right? Can you help us go there?
Of course, I can help you to go to the better place.
We don't have any money to pay you.
We are all friends. You don't have to pay me anything.
We have.
You are so
we have big family, you know.
I can arrange for you to take a boat. I mean, a ship. You and your family can travel to the new land. People there will let you in, give you shelter and job.
New land? No. We just want to go to city.
Yes, we don't want to go so far away.
City? Why do you want to go to the city? It's overcrowded and there are no jobs. In the new land, you'll have a good life.
Good life? Is it safe? Especially for my family?
Of course, and don't worry. I'm not taking any money from you. Just give me your land and I will take care of it.
We'll come back. Until you come back, we'll come back. This is still our home.
Here's some money. Get your family together. Go to the port. But first, I need you to sign this.
Sign this? What is this?
My friend, don't think about the land that you are leaving behind. Think about the future. Think about the good life that you will have in the new land.
New land?
Yes.
Where is the new land?
Somewhere across the ocean.
Ocean?
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 Hey. Give water. Give water.
Are you okay?
Auntie. Take a rest, Auntie. Take a rest. Water. Water. Rest, Auntie.
Alright?
Hey, you have food. I'm very hungry. Give me. Give me here.
No, I
Give me some.
see
I
your
have
bag.
to slow it.
No, I didn't.
Here.
Hey guys, are you eating?
I want
Hey, I'm hungry. Give me
I
some.
want this.
Hey,
Stop.
hey,
I
stop.
want
Hey,
this.
hey,
Oh, my friend.
Sister, come back. Sister, come back. Hi, sir.
Happy
Are
birthday.
you
Come on,
okay,
Anand.
sir? Please calm down, sir.
Please sit down.
Sir,
Sit down, please.
sir,
Sit down.
This award.
are you hungry?
What is
You want
beautiful?
food?
Hey, what happened to you?
I can
Hold this, please. Sit down.
I'm flying.
Sanu. Sanu. Newland. Sanu, Newland, Sanu. 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 Sanu, Newland, Sanu. Sanu. Sanu, Newland. Sanu. Newland, Sanu, Newland.
Passport, please.
This my passport.
Passport, please.
This my passport.
Passport, please.
This my
Passport, please.
This my
Passport, please. Passport, please. Passport, please. Passport, please.
Next.
Passport, please.
Next.
Passport, please. Please go to the
Next,
office.
Excuse me.
Go to the office, please.
Excuse me.
Go to the office, please.
Excuse me.
Go to the office, please.
Excuse
Go to
me.
the office, please.
Excuse me.
This country. You are free to enter this country.
You are free to enter this country.
Stop! You cannot come in.
Stop! You are illegal.
Stop. We don't want you here.
Go back to where you come from.
Go back to your own country.
Go back.
You cannot go with your family. They will stay at the detention center. The rest of you, go back to work.
Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop.
Hey.
Chop, chop, chop.
First.
Hey.
Walk smart. Walk smart.
Hey.
Walk
Hey.
smart.
Hey.
Walk smart.
Hey. Faster. Hey. Work 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 faster. Hey. Enough.
Smarter.
I used to be a teacher.
I used to be a doctor.
I was a politician in my country.
I was a professor. I was a chef.
You're not in your country anymore. You are now in my country.
Ini adalah foto anakku. Cantik kan? Aku tahu, mirip aku. Aku meninggalkannya ketika dia berusia 4 tahun. Dia bertanya padaku, "Ibu pergi kemana?" Aku bilang, "Ibu harus pergi kerja." Dia bertanya padaku, "Apa ibu pulang besok?" Aku bilang, "Tidak." "Apa ibu pulang nanti malam?" "Tidak. Ibu akan membeli kamu sepeda, oke?" Dan ketika saya membelikannya sepeda, dia menelponku, "Ibu, terima kasih. Aku suka sepedanya." Aku sangat bahagia. Lalu dia bilang, "Ibu, apa ibu pulang nanti malam?" Aku bilang, "Tidak." "Apa ibu pulang besok?" Hari ini anakku berusia 12 tahun. Penyebab aku di sini bukanlah sepeda. Ini karena masa depan dia, masa depan kami, untuk kehidupan yang lebih baik.
When my son is born, I am not there. When he starts to walking, I am not there. When he starts to talking, also I am not there. When I go back to my country, he don't know me. Every day I call. My wife said, "Your father is calling." Then my son said, "Who is my father? I don't know him."
Son, your father is here.
No, this is not father. I don't know him.
Mama, thank you. I already have my bicycle. Are you coming home tomorrow?
I am happy here. Really, I am very happy here. I have no wife. I have no children. I have many girlfriends here.
My son, I found you a wife.
Oh no!
আমার
আমার যমুনার জল গেল স্নান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে আমার যমুনার জল দেখতে কালো স্নান করিতে লাগে ভালো যৌবন মিশিয়া গেল জলে কড়া পানিতে নাই মাকো নাই কড়া মার্জন করে হাড়ু পানিতে নাই মাকো নাই হাড়ু মার্জন করে আমার যমুনার জল দেখতে
Oh my god. Hey bro. Your call. From your
My call.
Yes. Just a...
हेलो हेलो हाँ हाँ हाँ
Is mother passed away?
Oh, he's strong. He's strong.
Okay, let him alone.
আমি আমার দেশ আমার জন্মভূমি আমার পরিবারকে ছেড়ে এসেছি আমি এই জাহান্নাম থেকে মুক্তি পেতে চাই আমার পরিবারের সুন্দর ভবিষ্যতের জন্য কবে আমার জীবনে সুখ আসবে কবে আমার জীবনে সোনালী সূর্যের উদয় হবে কবে আমি স্বাধীনভাবে নিঃশ্বাস নিতে পারবো কবে আর আজ যে মানুষটি আমাকে এই পৃথিবীর সবচাইতে বেশি ভালোবাসতো সে আমাকে ছেড়ে চলে গেছে আমি তাকে বিদায় জানাতে পারলাম না আমি তাকে শেষবারের মতো একটিবার দেখতেও পারলাম না আমি তাকে শেষবারের মতো একটিবার স্পর্শ করতে পারলাম না আমি তাকে বলতে পারলাম না আমি তাকে কত ভালোবাসি আমি তাকে কত মিস করি আমি তোমাকে অনেক ভালোবাসি মা আমি তোমাকে অনেক ভালোবাসি আমি তোমাকে বিদায় জানাতে চাই না মা আমি তোমাকে বিদায় জানাতে চাই না তুমি আছো তুমি সব সময় আমার এই হৃদয়ে আছো মা তুমি সব সময় আমার এই হৃদয়ে আছো মা তুমি সব সময় আমার এই হৃদয়ে আছো
Hi everyone, I'm Haresh from the Necessary Stage. I work with these actors, and so we have a bit of time, so we'll do a bit of Q&A. So can I invite all the actors to come back on stage, including Wiwi as well? So maybe we can just start if just introduce yourselves.
Manjurul Islam. Actually, I'm very happy to involve with them, the first theater, and I'm very thankful to our trainer, Mr. HARESH Sharma. He's really good one. I'm really thankful to him. Yeah, big applause for him. Thank you.
I'm Nijamul Haq from Bangladesh. This is first time I involved this bird theater, so I feel very proud. I get here platform. I can introduce me, and I'm so happy. So thanks everybody.
Hey everyone, my name is Aninda. I'm from Indonesia. So this is my second time to be involved with them. Really, I feel really happy to be here today with this amazing team. And I would like to thank to Mr. Harris. Thank you for your time, for your dedication. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you.
My name is Sugiyati. I'm from Indonesia. This is my second time involved in this project, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suzanne. I joined this theater from last year. This is the third one. Oh. And I feel off at the moon, knowing everyone's like new people, and this is a good opportunity for me to overwhelming my fears or my shyness when come up with in front of audience. And so thank you for coming today as well.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm Diana from Philippines. This is my very first time to join this dramatic show that captured my heart to miss my family, and I'm so glad that I can do it. Then thank you to Mr. HARESH for letting me join this, and thank you to my all co-actors and actors. So thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Rajak from Bangladesh. I'm first time here with the Birds Theatre group, but I didn't think I can come on this stage. But all of my friends, they are helping me to come this stage. And I'm proud that I can stay here right now. All of my friends and Mr. HARESH Sharma, he is a good trainer for us. Thanks Mr. HARESH Sharma, thanks everyone.
My name is Almas from Bangladesh. Actually, I am second time is performing bird theater. And to say thanks our trainer Mr. HARESH Sharma and Madam Sharina also. And I want to say thanks our Dada is Shivaji Das. Actually, I call him the Dada, but he is still very young. Our country Dada means is grandfather, but he is still very young. So I say thanks also because he also made for us is a platform. Actually, I want to say thanks our sir Mr. HARESH because he is give lot of times. As a Singaporean, it's very difficult to make the time, but he, every Sunday is sometimes is 10 to 1 p.m. Sometimes is 2 to 6 p.m., 7 p.m. He give to the 10 for us. So I say thanks, sir and Madam. Yes, I forget.
Okay, I'm Vivi. I'm the one who in charge of the birds theaters with the help from Mr. HARESH Sharma and the necessary stage. Also Sharina, there is Sarda. We have a few of trainers. And thank you Mr. Shivaji Das to give us this beautiful platform. That's all.
Actually, I already I have to say that thanks my sister Wui because she doing the hard job. But when actually I also doing the hard job, but every time she called call, SMS. Hi bro, how about your monologue? How about your dialogue? How about your this part, that part? Every time. Actually, she make the very hard work for us and for our group. So thank you, sister. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you everyone, and thank you for the birds for that emotional and heartfelt performance. So we have come to an end for this session, and we hope that you will stay for our last session, the migrant worker poetry competition. So it's happening in about 20 minutes. You could just have perhaps a short break and come back for our last exciting performance. Thank you.